Hi, I'm Kirk Banton. In this video, I'll be demonstrating to you how to install a hard drive. Okay, for the interest of time, I already opened the computer and done the necessary safety procedure. Alright, so I'm actually neutralizing the computer. So what I'll be installing, the hard drive I'll be installing is a Western Digital 160 gigabyte SATA hard drive. I'll be installing it in a Dell Optiplex 745 desktop computer. For this computer, the hard drive goes in a casing, this casing here, which is the hard drive is placed inside this casing, and it's held by 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4 screws that holds the hard drive in place. My SATA data cable that connects from the one end to the hard drive and one end to the motherboard. And of course I will need my SATA power cable. Alright, so now what I will do, I will place the hard drive in the casing to install it in the computer. And while placing the hard drive in this casing, you have to ensure that all 4 screw notches are inserted properly into the hard drive and the hard drive is firm together. Alright, then I'm gonna install the hard drive, with this section facing up, and slide it into this slot here. For this computer, it has 2 slots to hold 2 different drives. Okay, now I'm gonna install my SATA data cable to the hard drive. And of course, while doing that, I'll have to ensure I place the cable into the grooves that are provided in the computer for this. And this is to ensure that, the air can circulate inside the computer. Then I'm gonna connect the second side of the SATA cable to the motherboard, to SATA 0, because SATA 0 on this motherboard is for the primary hard drive. After connecting my SATA data cable, I'm now going to connect my SATA power cable onto the hard drive. And this cable is already connected to my power supply. Alright, so there you have it. That's the installation of a SATA 160 gigabyte hard drive in a Dell Optiplex 745 desktop computer.